cousins and their friends are on the boat. We dropped swim in a sea cave, and we are now sailing to another place to stop.
When I finally came, you were standing with strangers. When I called your name, and I called to your heart, just as loud as a train.
One of the most incredible stops on our all-day Jason cruise trip was Rina Cave. The water here is so incredibly clear and inviting, and of course, we had to join the brave ones jumping from the rocks. I mean, I didn't, but the younger generation here, these millennials, they did. I mean, look at this place. It's literally pure magic. The cave is hidden from the usual tourist spots, and it's perfect. It's a perfect spot to swim, relax, and soak in the beauty of Naxos. Just don't step on the rocks. There's sea urchins in here. I saw a bunch of them last time I was here. Yeah.
Hey guys, don't step on the rocks. There are a bunch of sea urchins in there.
Or at least look down before you do.
Yeah, look down. And they're pretty obvious. You can see them.
Yeah, you can see them. You just gotta.
Yeah.
Here, come my dude. I'll pull you in.
It smells like earth. Oh my God, we're way back.
Oh yeah, I know. That's why I went back and got my goggles. Like, this goes so far back.
Yeah, just like they live on the rocks. So it looks like a black spring. It smells very earthy, like dirt. You're on camera. Wow, this is crazy. I'm going into the sea cave. This is the Rina Sea Cave. We are on an all-day boat excursion in the Aegean from the island of Naxos with cousins and cousins' friends and cousins' family. It's amazing. Super cool. No, this is actually it's very dark in here.
Mailman is down this little town, and the Pony Express, all the horses came up lane. I don't hear from you, all the blame. Yes, I've loved you forever, and it's hard to explain. Long before Cain and Abel, God made the rain. Yes, I've loved you forever, from the moment time began, when my soul roamed the earth, from the sea to the land. Girl, I've loved you forever, both wide.
That music rocking. The food was really good. We had Souvlaki and salad, and it was interesting. The Greek salad had potatoes in it. Found that interesting. But Naxos is known for their potatoes and their lamb and their citron alcohol that comes from a tree. It's a tree that is a citrus tree, but they use the leaves for the alcohol. Nice. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
After some swimming and exploring, the crew started grilling souvlaki right on the boat. There's nothing better than enjoying fresh food while cruising along these beautiful waters. The smell of souvlaki cooking, it's something I'll always remember. Moments like these make Naxos feel like home. As we sailed past a small church on the rocks, the captain shared this beautiful story. Legend has it, during a terrible storm, a ship was caught in these very waters, and the sailors, they prayed to the Virgin Mary for protection. After the storm passed, they found an icon of the Virgin Mary washed ashore and vowed to build a church in her honor. Though the first storm stopped them from completing it, they left some wine at the site and came back when the seas calmed. Today, that church right there in my video vlog still stands.
In a small boat. They carried wine from Naxos to Paros. And it was a big storm, and they are scared, and they prayed to the God help us, and we will build the church for you. And it was a big storm, and for 5 minutes it was the weather calm. And they see that small spot here, and they came here, and it was not waves and the storm. And they start to build the church. They built the first stones with wine. They didn't have water, and they fixed it with wine. Sand and wine and the stones.
Oh, that's
And many years ago they came back and they finished it.
Oh, and then they finished it. Oh, that's amazing. Gorgeous. So many good stories. It's a symbol of hope and faith. It's just one of those moments that reminds you how much history and meaning is woven into every corner of Greece.
Did you guys go back? What time did you guys go back last night? Maybe a little flipper?
Yeah, he doesn't even have a noodle. Hey, Peter, just tow her.
Tow her. All right. Tow her. Actually, she's towing him. This is our what, fourth or fifth stop for the night or day? Water.
Thank you for watching Beyond the Empty Nest. Stay tuned and subscribe for more content. Remember, my name is Kathy Brooks. I am a Greek American exploring as much of Greece as absolutely possible. And of course, as much as the world is possible. And remember, my friends, life is an incredible journey, even beyond